Everybody's in here, crowd in, ready? Say wedding!
Wedding! Woo!
Oh, what a day to be alive. What a dream to have a heartbeat. What a way to spend my time walking on this satellite.
So beautiful.
Everything I need is here and now.
So cute.
Aileen, you've asked me many times when it was that I first knew that I loved you. I've always told you that I didn't know exactly when, but it came over me like a wave, a gradual feeling that became stronger and stronger over time. It was after our first conversation. It was after talking to you for 9 hours, online, through text, on the phone, and I couldn't get enough of you, and I still can't.
Come and let it. I want the sunshine on my skin. I got my soul packed in a suitcase. I want my spirit lifted high. I want to live amongst the stars.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Everything I need is here and now. Look at how.
Okay, you want me to do like a little kind of
Our parents always told us that friends will come and go, but family is forever. This really stuck with the both of us. No matter how hard life got, we always knew that we had each other to lean on.
These are sick. Tom Ford.
So early on in her relationship with JB, I asked her, what keeps you so cheerful all the time? She said, I believe that every story has a happy ending. And if it's not happy, then it isn't the end.
Socks, she got me a shirt. Yeah, baby! Sour neon worms that I'm not gonna share with any of you guys.
Anyone who takes care of your simplest of concerns as if they were their own surely deserves my love, my loyalty, and my devotion eternally. He leads me, he protects me, he genuinely cares. Although it's not needed, it just always reminds me that he's an extension of me. He constantly says the things that make me wonder how I could have ever enjoyed anything the way I do before he came into my life.
Don't need anything but. Don't want anything but. Come and let it rescue me, 'cause all I need is.
At the end of the day, it's just about two people in love making a promise to one another. And it really is, all by itself, a fairly sublime thing in life. And I want to thank all of you for coming here and sharing that moment with them and with us. So thank you.
So it's amazing to have you all here on what is most definitely the most important, amazing day of my life.
I remember the first time Aileen told me about JB. It was when we were in high school and she mentioned a mutual friend of ours having this really cute friend named JB. Then, a few years ago, his name was mentioned and JB has been around ever since. Perfect timing if you ask me.
JB, my beloved firstborn son, and Aileen, my true daughter, in fact, not just in law. May God guide you and protect you both. May you always have true friends who stand with you and stand by you. May the love of life that you share together bring you joy. I love you both.
Aileen, I love you so much. I hope you know that and can feel that from me. It's redundant to welcome you to the family because you're already part of the family.
talk about weddings like it's the best day of their life, but it's weird to actually be here and actually feel it and experience it and know in the moment that this is the best day of your life. Just to feel this much love in this room for us, it's unbelievable. You're unlike anyone I've ever met, Aileen. You're the person who convinced me soulmates exist, and I vow to be a man worthy of your unconditional love that you've never been afraid to shower on me.
15 years ago, I met a boy. Here he stands, a man. A happy ending in the making. Here I am, ready for you, ready to love you forever, ready to never spend another night alone, ready to be your wife. Today, I'm ready for our happy ending. Thank you for being my happily ever after.